G'day DIYs, I've just laid the shower. Now it's now I've got the easy part. So I'm having a semi-frameless, so it has a bottom. It goes over that nicely. I don't have to be super tight because if it was frameless, I'd have to be super tight and just like a grout line, but I don't have to worry about that too much in this case because it all gets covered. So it's easier for the DIY to go semi-frameless. If you go frameless, you've got to have a way bigger shower. Don't forget that, everyone, because a frameless, you've got no bottom. You've got no aluminium at the bottom to stop the water flowing out. So it's got to be a bigger shower so the water doesn't come right to the edge. Here is it's about a 900 by 900, and if you've got full-on water pressure, against this aluminium will be a 5 mil bed of water. So it's got to be a semi-frameless. Okay, so I'll do those cuts into there tomorrow when I'm standing on it. I can pull away that tape and fluff about. I'll just cut it tomorrow. I'll do those cuts around there tomorrow. But I can be laying the walls and that sort of thing, so we're home and hosed. I'm using a 12 mil still. That there was my height pad. I just skimmed the top off it before it started drying. This floor leveler is it's pretty good stuff. It's a little bit expensive, but if you've got a small area, put in your height pads like that. See that? See that height pad? Absolute beauty. Then you pour your material in. You come up to those pads, you're laughing. I do the same all the time. Spread your glue out and then directional trowel. Sometimes you can't. Wrong way, Chriso. Now, is that the right way? No. I've cut it wrong, I think. let's just cut this and I can get underway then. See how I'm all set up here? I've got all my tiles there, I'm mixing there. I've got the garage to myself. If it rains like it was yesterday, it's cool. I love these jobs, eh? When you can work in the garage like this and the bathroom's just there. Brilliant. I'm doing the ensuite as well. That's a little bit further down, but not very far. Slap a bit of glue on there. I've got to see, lay a tile over the top. Like so. That's in the right position there. It's I reckon these tiles, you've got to stay focused and concentrate on what you're doing all the time. Otherwise you're stuffed. And you don't want to lay the tile the wrong way. Right, so press it down nicely into the glue. I don't back butter. There's no need to back butter. If you're putting it in to fresh glue, you don't need to back butter. Everyone says, oh, have you back buttered? What I say to that is no. You lay into flat glue, you lay into fresh glue. Now, if that's not good coverage, I'll stand on my head. You don't need to back butter. You can drive a car over that. I'm going to go for lunch shortly. Oh, nice. Oh, nice. That was quite by accident, people. I fluked that one. Sorry. That I've got a full tile there. Brilliant. Haha. Fluked it. Sorry. Winged it. It's 1.5 mm spacing. This lady that I'm doing these 2 bathrooms for, she loves her blue and white. And she's tickled pink. Everyone deserves to be happy, and she has found happiness. and choosing the tile she loves. If you have a little bit of glue like that, try and get it out. But tomorrow, first thing in the morning, I'll come in with a knife and I'll just check my lines while the glue is still green. I've got to cut that one. Those, I'll leave those cuts until tomorrow. Okay, well, tomorrow or whatever, when I've done the walls properly. Okay, we'll see you soon. Hooroo! Whoop.